Hello, welcome to the Park School of Communications for our second annual Park Tank. Yeah, I mean, the goal is to engage students with alumni, and if that's your outcome, it went very well. If it was to make people laugh and be handsome, not so well.
As a previous Park student graduating in 2012, I'm very surprised how much some of these students have thought through everything, especially M1, right? Majority, M1 Droid, like all the different components were hit. Everything I was just talking about, she hit all those points, which is very impressive. There's more you can go through, but I saw many more students this year compared to last year go through these points and actually go through the entrepreneurial evaluation of the business.
My company name is M1 Jewelry, and I designed a product that you can incorporate a single earring to. So when you lose one earring and have one earring left, you can still use it and show it off to all your friends with a necklace. Coming into this as a freshman, I honestly not really know what to expect, but I had a lot of fun. It was really cool. It was a really great experience, and I learned a lot.
And do you think this is going to get a lot bigger?
Maybe for a better host. I don't know.